The Silent Noise. It's been streaming on Prime Video since March 20. A powerful and emotional story that explores truth, family, and the weight of silence. Please watch this.
May konting request lang si Mama.
Mutya Orkia, Zaijan Almelia, Katie Omalet, Sanjo Marudo, and Angelica Panganiban. May we invite the cast to step forward, closer to the cameras please, and smile for some photo ops. Hello. So, quick question, little chica. I know it's been streaming already since March 20. Congratulations, everybody. So, without giving too much away, ano ang dapat nilang abangan? Without giving too much away, huwag naman spoiler.
Well, sa nakita nila, diba, pa-intense ng pa-intense, syempre yung mga mapapanood nila. Talagang yung mga kaganapan ay, kumbaga, kakabahan na rin kayo. Mararamdaman nyo kung ano yung nararamdaman namin lahat.
And what, yeah, Sandro.
Yes, yung transition ng mga characters, ito na, isa-isa nang lumalabas yung mga sekreto na hindi sinasabi ng bawat miyembro ng pamilya. Kaya yun, kung alam nyo na yung mga gulay nyo kung sino yung suspect, hindi ko po yung tama. Marami pa kayong makakapagal.
Thank you very much. And let's hear from the kids. What are you excited about now that the show is streaming?
I'm excited because in this series, everyone will discover and see that this series is not just an ordinary series. This is a series about a love of a deaf kid, Eli, for his teacher, Teacher Sam.
Naku. Okay. And, yes.
Sa segunda ko lang po yung sinabi ni Papa kanina ni Quezzy. Yung pinakita po kanina parang nasa episode 7 and 8 pa lang, parang mga ganun pa lang. So, marami pa kami yung offer dun sa last few episodes and yun po, kakabahan talaga kayo at para maramdaman mo na yung gulat at mapapatayuan talaga kung sa nanonood.
And, yeah.
Yes po, talagang marami mo pong aabangan, lalo na yung mga unexpected moments, mga hindi mo hinihinalan, yun pala yung nangyari talaga. So yun, abangan po talaga.
Well, if you want to find out, you know where to watch it. Thank you so much again to the cast of The Silent